Good Friday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on outside on the radar. And as you can see, we've got some dry pockets in place that are keeping some of the moisture at bay for us this morning. And we'll see that start to dwindle down and more moisture move in as we go through the day. But it will continue to have an impact on how much snowfall we could see in terms of accumulation around the county. And it makes me continue to want to hold with my forecast accumulation of a trace to an inch of snow around the county. We'll have more details on the accumulations here shortly. But let's go ahead and continue to talk about what we're seeing out there. Off to our east, mainly widespread rain. There's some freezing rain mixing in up just east of Greensboro, out toward Durham and Raleigh, where there's some colder air in place. Down to our south, mainly a rain event going on, everything moving north-northeast, and then out toward the mountains, we're seeing a wintry mix, essentially some snow, some freezing rain, and also some rain as well. There could be some sleet mixing in with all this also, so we'll continue to keep you updated on that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the models are showing, and so you can be aware of what's going to happen as we go through the day to day. These are going to be hour by hour. So here's Kannapolis on the map, Rockwell, Enochville, China Grove, Granite Quarry, Salisbury, Spencer, Woodleaf, and Cleveland. So you've got some ideas on what you're looking at there. And this is starting at 7 a.m. this morning. And we're going to take you hour by hour, or excuse me, I'm sorry, this is starting at 9 a.m. this morning. And we're going to take you hour by hour. So this is 10 a.m. You see mainly rain continuing to move through the county. This is now 11 a.m. Starting to see a little bit of snow mixing in that northwest corner of the county up toward I-40. And that's the section I said we would see the most snowfall accumulation, over the last couple of days as I've been forecasting this. And it continues to look pretty solid that that's certainly going to hold for us in terms of who's going to see the most snowfall around the county today. As we head now to 11 a.m., we are looking, or no, excuse me, this is 12 noon. As we head to 12 noon, so midday, you see there is some rain, maybe some snow and sleet mixing in for areas like Rockwell, Enochville, Kannapolis, China Grove, Granite Quarry, Salisbury, Spencer. And then as you head over to Woodleaf and Cleveland, you get more of a snow sleet mix going on. As we head now to 1 p.m., looking at a mix of snow and sleet, and maybe even some rain, wintry mix overall for the majority of the county west of I-85. So areas like China Grove, Enochville, Salisbury, Spencer, Woodleaf, Cleveland, and then Rockwell and Granite Quarry, mainly seeing a rain. There could be some snow and sleet mixing in as well in those areas. As we head now to 2 p.m., looking at that mix continuing to take place mainly west of I-85. So again, Salisbury, Spencer, Cleveland, Woodleaf, mainly seeing snow, maybe some sleet mixing in. And then Granite Quarry, China Grove, probably seeing more like a mainly rain with some snow and sleet mixing in. As we head now to, this is now 3 p.m., and you can see that mix continuing to take place around the county, Woodleaf and Cleveland, seeing maybe a mix of snow and sleet. Spencer and Salisbury, Granite Quarry could be seeing a pocket of snow by that point. China Grove, Enochville, Rockwell, again, seeing mainly a mix. By 4 p.m., everything tends to become more of a wintry, solid winter mix. And what I mean by that is a mix of sleet and snow as cold air starts to settle in a little bit more for us. So pretty much everybody in the county seeing a mix of sleet and snow as we head to 4 p.m. this afternoon. By 5 p.m., continuing to see that mix of sleet and snow. 6 p.m., could see mainly snow around the county by this point. This is probably where we're going to get most of our accumulation as we head into the evening hours. By 7 p.m., we're starting to see things start to move out a little bit. Mix of sleet and snow for the eastern side of the county, Granite Quarry, Rockwell, Faith, Gold Hill, and any area east of I-85. And then by 10 p.m., still a little bit of snow moving through the extreme southeast corner of the county. And as we head to 11 p.m., we still see a little bit of snow there. And then a little bit kind of hanging on around midnight tonight. Maybe some flurries going into 1 a.m. And then 2 a.m. Saturday morning, still a little bit kind of hanging around. And you see things start to abate as we head into Saturday. So we'll continue to keep you updated there. We'll take a quick break. When we come back, we'll talk about the weather impacts for today. We'll talk about the snowfall accumulation totals that I'm forecasting around the county. We'll talk about the snow meter one last time, and then we'll give you the 5-day forecast and make you aware of what you can see over the next 5 days as well.
When you're ready to travel, let's give it another go.
Our weather impacts are sponsored by Patterson Farms Incorporated. The 2021 all-season passes are on sale now. Use promo code FARMLOVE through February 28th to get $20 off your 2021 all-season pass. These passes give you the ability to visit the farm unlimited times throughout the 2021 season. There are all kinds of events that happen at the farm throughout the year. We'll certainly keep you updated on those events as we go through this year and make you aware of anything going on. For more information, visit pattersonfarm.com/all-season pass. If you decide you want to look at that later and you can't remember that website address, it's easy to remember, RowanCountyWeather.com. Just head over to our website and you'll see that banner at the top of our homepage. Click on it. It'll take you directly to the Patterson Farm website for more details on the 2021 all-season passes. So this morning, we'll see a cold rain during the morning with occasional snow and sleet mixing in. Winds will be out of the northeast at around 10 miles an hour. And then as we head to the afternoon and evening hours, we'll see a mix of snow and sleet possible by the late afternoon and evening. And then snowfall accumulations continue to remain at around a trace to an inch as far as what I've been forecasting. I'm holding to that number. I think we're going to be limited by the amount of rainfall we're going to get, and the fact that this system is pretty dry overall. There's some dry pockets in there that seem to fragment the moisture as it comes through. So that'll continue to keep us limited, I believe, in the amount of accumulation we'll see with snowfall. But again, a trace to an inch is certainly possible around the county. Let's go ahead and take a look at those locations around the county and how much they could see in terms of snowfall. Rockwell could see around 1/10 of an inch. Over toward China Grove, they could see 2/10 of an inch. Salisbury around 1/2 an inch. As you head over to Cleveland, around 8/10 of an inch, and then up into that extreme northwest corner of the county toward I-40, could see maybe an inch or a little more. And again, these are likely accumulations. It doesn't mean you can get more. You could certainly get less, but I believe everybody in the county will see at least a trace to an inch of snowfall by the time everything's said and done this evening. The snow meter, as I said, we moved it up to a 2 yesterday. We're going to keep it there. I don't think there's any reason to raise it anymore. We're certainly going to see some snow throughout the day today. Better chances, obviously, in the afternoon and evening. We'll continue to keep you updated on that. We're going to provide updates all day long right here on Rowan County Weather and make you aware of what's going on and what continues to remain to come toward us as we head through this Friday to wrap up the work week. All right, the 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Today, again, we'll see a wintry mix likely at times during the day, 80% chance of that. On Saturday, we'll see sunny skies with a high of 46, mostly clear skies Saturday evening with a low of 24. Sunday, sunny skies, high of 47 with mostly clear skies and a low of 26. On Monday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 46. As we get into the evening hours on Monday, we get another shot at a wintry mix moving through the county. We'll start off as rain. On Monday evening, we'll see a low of 34 with a 40% chance of rain. But right after we get around midnight and start into the overnight hours into Tuesday morning, we could see things start to mix back up again with a mix of rain and snow, maybe even some sleet. Got a 30% chance of that wintry mix as we head into Tuesday morning. As we get past daybreak, any precipitation that's still falling out there, anything that still remains, it will transition over to all rain. We'll see a high of 47 with a low of 30 and mostly clear skies by Tuesday evening. For ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, visit us on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow us and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll keep you updated there. And if you know someone who doesn't have the internet or social media, but they utilize cable television, they can get our updates on WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16, and we'll certainly continue to keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Friday, everybody. We're going to continue to keep you updated on the weather as we move through the day, make you aware of any additional impacts we may have to worry about. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.